and spreading out to the sea. I like the tropical moon and the lazy palm trees. I like to listen to my heart. There's no place I'd rather be. I like the people, I like the way they smile. I like the feeling of you on this paradise isle. I like the cool island gecko. Man, this is where I wanna be. So take me back, back to the kind. Take me back, back to the kind. All over Mobed or Molokai, I will return. Take me back, back to the kind. Take me back, back to the kind. All over Mobed or Molokai, I will return. I like the gecko singing in the night. I like to do the dance they do to the Molokai slide when the sun come up shining. Always more better the kind. I like the hula. I think it's really good. Oh man, I don't understand the words, but in time I think I could if I just had the time. Oh, if I just had the time. I say, oh, won't you come along? We'll have a luau by the sea. We'll cook a little pig and all the coconuts are free. And what you see is what you get. It's just a little grass shack. I know you're gonna like it, and I hope you come back. I like the fishes swimming around in the sea. I like to hop 'em on the grill and cook 'em up for me with a big pan of butter. Man, it can't get better than this. No, no, no. I like the chickens. You hop 'em on the grill, man, it hurts to eat some raw fish and eat up all the spills. Oh well, oh yeah, it's just a luau down by the sea. So take me back, back to the kind. Take me back, back to the kind. All over Mobed or Molokai.